Presidente. But from the looks of it, kung meron na pong around 3-4 vehicles na narito, and imbis na dumiretso doon sa dating security lane nila, no, they normally turn left. At ito na nga po, mukhang ito na ang formal arrival ng ating Presidente. As everybody is in place, the honor guards are here, and we're confirming that the President of the Philippines has arrived via land. This is the first time po na nag-land trip ang ating Pangulo sa kanyang mga zona. No? So on the last zona, nag-land trip ang ating Presidente. Hindi naman po masyadong maulan. Narito na po siya with the welcoming committee. Binubuksan na po ang pintuan. And first to welcome him is the Senate Sergeant-at-Arms Jose Balahadya na sumasaludo sa ating Presidente kasama ni Ricardo Radovan at of course our AFP Chief of Staff. Dito nagsisimula ang formal entrance ng ating Pangulo with the march on the red carpet at tuloy-tuloy na po onto the welcoming area of both the leaders of Congress. To receive them is Senate President Frank Drilon, kumakamay na po, at House Speaker Sonny Belmonte. There's a share of a bit of pleasantries bago po pumasok ang ating Pangulo. Narito na po ang welcoming committee, Senate Pro Tempore Ralph Recto, some congressmen, Serge Apostol, Georgidi Agabao, Puno, Deputy Speaker, and of course some of our congressmen, even from the minority. At mabilis po ang pagpasok ng Presidente. Ito na po from members of the Senate, the diplomatic corps, and the private sector. Of course, our women congresspersons are here also to receive the President. Kung titignan natin, medyo maaga po ang pagdating ng ating Presidente. And while sharing these pleasantries, at papasok nga po sila, ay didiretso po ang ating Pangulo sa PLLO to really magkaroon ng konting diskusyon. Nandito ang ating mga members of the House of Representatives. Diyan din po sina P.D. Barzaga, makikita rin natin sina Congresswoman Santos, at na po, naglalakad na ang Pangulo papasok ng PLLO escorted by Secretary Manny Mamba.